Hello friends, in video editing quick tips, today we'll see how to trim or cut multiple clips at the same time in Premiere Pro. First of all, let's see why do we need to cut or trim multiple clips at the same time. So the first reason is when we shoot, usually we get a camera shake at end of every clip. For example, we have a habit that when we press the stop button, immediately we take the camera off the frame or take the camera down. Most videographers have the same habit, so you might see this shake in almost every clip. For example, at the end of this clip, you will see the same camera shake, just like this. So either you go to end of every clip and trim it or cut it, or the second option is you can take all of your clip on a timeline and just trim it at the same time. Now let's see the second reason. If you want to apply any transition in between two consecutive clips, so let's say I want to apply any transition in between these two clips. I will take a cross dissolve and try to apply in between these two clips. Now as you can see, there is an error message, insufficient media, transition will contain repeated frames. And there are also cross lines on these transitions. Yeah, and if you observe carefully, the transition will not play smoothly. The reason behind this is in Premiere, you need some extra frames to run this or to run any transition smoothly, and those extra frames are called handles. Now, if you want to get a read of this, then you have to trim start and end frames of these two clips. So I just cut few frames from start and end of both the clips. Now I will apply the same transition, and as you can see, there is no error message and there are no cross lines on the transitions. Now if I play the same part again, see it's playing smooth. So these extra frames are called handles in Premiere. So basically every time if you want to apply transitions, you have to cut both the clips. Now let's see how to cut multiple clips at the same time. First of all, let's see how to trim a single clip in the Premiere. For that, we will take a Ripple Edit tool. We'll go to any clip. So I will go to the end of this clip. I will click and hold at the end of this clip. As I hold, as you can see, there is a yellow line. Now I will drag it to the left side. Now, if you observe carefully, there is a triangle at the top of this clip. That means this clip is original clip. We never trimmed it. And in this first clip, there is no triangle. That means there is a cut or there are extra frames at the end of this clip. Now, similarly, we will trim the first few frames of this second clip. Hold and drag to the right. Now as you can see, there is no triangle. Now look at these 2 points. Here there are triangles. That means these are original clips, and here there are no triangles. That means these two clips are trimmed. Now let's see how to trim all the clips on your timeline at the same time. As you can see, the total length is 10 minutes and 36 seconds. I will add out marker at the end. Now hold your control key and select all the clips on your timeline. As you can see, there are red lines in between every two clips. Now hold Alt and scroll to zoom in your timeline. Now after zooming, just hold Ctrl and Shift key at the same time and go to end of any clip. Now hold your click and start dragging it to your left. As soon as you start dragging, you will see a counter or a duration at the bottom of that clip. Duration for this particular clip is 40 seconds and 8 frames. So default transition timing in Premiere is almost 30 frames. So we will trim 15 frames at the end of every clip and 15 frames at the start of every clip. As we hold at the end of this clip, I will just drag it to the left for 15 frame. As you can see, all of the clips are get trimmed. Initially the end marker was at this position and now here is our end position. If you observe carefully, there is no triangle at the end of any clip. That means every clip is get trimmed, including our first clip where we had that camera shake at the end. See, as you can see, now there is no shake. We cut 15 frames from the end of every clip. Now we have to follow the same procedure to cut 15 frames from the start of every clip. Hold Ctrl key, select all the clips, hold Alt key and scroll to zoom your timeline. Now go to the start of any clip, hold Ctrl and Shift and hold your click and drag that clip to your right side. Drag it for 15 frames. Yeah, as you can see, we cut 15 frames from the start of every clip. If you observe, there are no triangles. Now, if I apply transition in between any two clips, there are no errors. So by following this procedure, you can trim multiple clips at the same time in Premiere. I hope you find this tutorial very helpful and thanks for watching.